got a crazy old Scot living right next door in the snow. Kilt-wearing bugger with a barn full of sheep, don't you know? Every night after dark I hear the strangest sound, Velcro tearing and them sheep bleating all around. Oh, that damn Scotsman, what the hell does he do? Sticking to sheep like some mad Canuck glue. I try to mind my own business, I swear that I try, but the moans and the bleats keep me up every night. He orders them gloves by the truckload from town. Customs thinks he's some kind of weird sticky clown. The local girls all left him 'cause he smelled like a ram. Now he's out in the barn loving sheep as a man. I seen him in the field with a big stupid grin, one hand on a ewe and the other on the gin. He waves like it's nothing and gives me a wink. I just shake my head and go pour myself a drink. I told my wife, darling, we're selling this land. She laughed, no chance, best show in the land. As the mountains roll by, real slow down the road, I point at his barn, look, he's unloading his load. The mountains rolled up with their notebooks and grinned, saw the Velcro in action and took some for a spin. They each grabbed a pair from the old Scott supply, slipped them on and just waved the whole thing goodbye. Now they're heading back home through the cold white, with Velcro gloves ready for the long northern night. That damn Velcro Scotsman's got the force in his snares. The bleats keep on coming, but nobody here really cares. Pass the rye, buddy.